Good morning. It's Monday morning. I'm off this week for the Thanksgiving weekend. Just a quick video. I wanted to get everyone's opinion about storing and packing trains. Now I'm going to flip the camera around. Do it there. Okay. I had a lot of my trains packed just for display, but I'm packing them up because they're in my office and my daughter's coming to visit. So you see, for example, you have these, these white inserts for, keeping the handrails straight. And then in this one, I finally just said, screw it. I'm not putting them in. It's just such a pain. So I got to know, how many of you save these little soft plasticky things, these things, and like the Rapido sticker, or Rapido sticker, and they also give you this sticker, and then they also give you, all the little things like check out our website, and yeah. So let me know. Put it in the comments below. Do you actually save all this stuff for when you maybe go to your club and want to make sure it's safe, or do you just say screw it and do the basic packaging? All right, happy Thanksgiving.